Yo, what's up? It's been a while since I've talked. My bad. I can't really say much. I have been ghosting. I dipped and I did not sell in May and walk away. All right, with that, let's get this video underway. I'm going to do weekly crypto updates. So I'm going to explain this week's price action and what I'm looking for the rest of the coming weeks. All right, before anything, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all purely market commentary. Everything I say should not be taken into account and not affect your decision making in the crypto markets. I am not your financial advisor and I probably never will be. Everything I'm saying is purely my market commentary on what I believe could happen as an opinion, and you should not take it seriously. All right, with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. All right, first of all, I've been back testing on some paper trades, as you can see down here. Actually, on Forex a little bit. It's doing quite good. So it's paper trading. It's not real. I wish it was. All right, first of all, what I'm looking at is these liquidation heat maps areas. Let me show you on CoinGlass. It's coinglass.com. You get all these nice free things here. I like the liquidation heat map to show me potential areas of where price magnets towards, because market makers like to well, they need the liquidity, bro, and we are the liquidity. They want to take us out. They want to use us, and that's fine because I can use that to my advantage. Q4. I mean, it's October. It's bull season, isn't it? So the highlighted levels I have here. Um, Hold up, boys. No idea what that just was. So that low-key freaked me out. All right, with that, those noises were weird as hell. Okay, with that, the highlighted areas are what was shown on the liquidation heat map. So these are the areas that I'd be looking for. I'm looking to buy altcoins, specifically, here. Like this. All right, bro. Who is doing this outside? Because they're. Okay, I'm about to tweak, bro. What is going on? Am I being watched? All right, yeah, dog. I'm tweaking. This shit got me acting crazy. Okay. Anyways, I'm looking to long what I think will be the October bottom here. Q1 October usually starts off bearish. I mean, you need some sort of liquidation cascade to get the masses out. October 1 started here. So what did we do? We took out the monthly high. People didn't notice that. We took out the monthly high, or the monthly open. Then we're trading lower. We took out the monthly low. Now we had a bounce. I would think we're going to do this now. I think we're going to, fill in this heat map. And we're either going to, reject off the heat. Okay, dude, what is going on? We're either going to reject off the liquidation heat map, trade lower. I don't know why my thing's bugging. Or we're going to just completely invalidate these heat map levels and have the resistance turn to support. If that happens, then I'll be happy to long in this range, even though it's higher than over here. I do think this is the area, though. With that, now we're going to get into juicy stuff. What am I bidding? Right? Like, that's what you little greedy boys care about, isn't it? You don't give a shit about Bitcoin, do you? Even though it moves everything, even if it could 2x, it's only a 2x. And crypto, is that good? That's shit, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I know you guys. You guys are greedy. And I don't blame you. I am too. First coin I'm aping, and I've been aped in, Brett. I mean, the narrative's strong. And what's stronger is the chart. I mean, The chart doesn't do full justice here, but I mean, it looks good. And compared to all the other coins I've seen, it's held up the best during this time period. I mean, when Bitcoin went to the gutters, this thing's down 55%. But if we go to what was the biggest hitters a while ago, man, let's go to Render, for example. I loved Render, and I didn't sell it, and now I'm in the gutter. But I loved Render, bro, and everyone was thinking, oh, this thing's gonna hit 400, 500. Bro, let's see where it's at now. It was at 14 now. Now it's down 63%. So a real utility-based project that's actually based is down more than a meme coin. That's a leverage bet in the entire market sentiment. That alone shows me that we're in a meme coin super cycle, right? Like, no one cares about these greedy little AI coins anymore, bro. Look at this pump. I should have not been a little greedy boy. Look what I saw. I saw all this, and I didn't take a single bit of profit. I'm crazy. With that said, I do think we're going to go higher on Render, probably into the 30s. I'm out here seeing people calling for 100, 150. They're insane, in my opinion. That's not happening. But, I mean, I don't think it will. Next, Fetch, same thing. I actually think it's been holding up pretty decent, though. It had a horrible fall off from the top. Like, it was down 80%. But actually, it's picked up some steam, and it actually did 150% from the lows, and it's up. It's doing quite decent. I had a bag. Sui, new up and comer, doing really well. ICP, also, what was it? Me included. I was like, oh, this is the future tech. Down 63%. Like, how much lower can these alts go, right? Now that I'm looking at it and you guys saying, oh, why would I risk my money? Blah, blah, blah. Bro, they can only go a little bit lower until they're at zero. But they have so much potential to go back to just where they were at the cycle's high. Not even all-time high, bro. ICP is almost 2.5x away from the cycle high, bro. 21 divided by 8. That's more than 2x, bro. That's almost a 3x just for it to reach where it was. Like, in my eye, that's a no-brainer trade. Also, when I look to bid tokens, guys, I bid every time the market bounces. I want to see what bounces the hardest with it, right? Like, well, I'm going to make a whole video on Bobo and why it's my biggest meme asset. But I do love it. Like, here, boys. Look at this. APU. I didn't buy it, and I really hope I can. If somehow we get into here and get to retest, I will gladly ape. But on every chance the market turns green, look at this thing recently. Look at it. Like, recently, look. It's up 400% in like a month when Bitcoin is down. Just imagine what something like this would do when Bitcoin is up. That's what I think. Less people are interested in it now because the market's not doing shit. But when Bitcoin is doing stuff, and if it goes past 100K and alts go crazy, the ones that perform the best during the worst conditions are going to outperform everything in even better conditions. You know what I'm saying, bro? Caspa, I really love this thing, but honestly, it hit the fan. I've been out for a while, but again, utility is just not it this cycle. Whiff. Oh my god. I am looking for every opportunity I can to accumulate this thing before I think it goes to, well, target one is 10, so 5x. Cycle top for me, 20. Like, I can see it. 20, 30. I mean, dude, with Bitcoin from like 54K to 60K has done 2x. It went from 1.3 to 2.8, bro. And Bitcoin is down this month, in the most bullish month in October. October, statistically, most bullish month in crypto history. And WIF is up on the month. Any coin that's up on the month right now, I would be aping. Oh my, like this is the best wedge I've ever seen. Doesn't get better on the weekly. And you got a weekly retest here. Like it really doesn't get better. I'm hoping, like if I'm right and my thesis plays out and we can dip here, my bags are packed for WIF. And I can promise you this, I have ICP leverage right now since like $9. Once I get to break even and a little profit, everything I had at ICP is going into Brett, WIF, or Pepe. And I will not look back. Desync, look at this. Another coin. It's an AI killer. You guys aren't ready. You sure, bro? Like, yeah. What a killer, man. Great token. 70% down. Like, these things are at the gutters, bro. If I'm bidding these shits heavy. Oh my, oh, here we go. Now we're getting to the juicy memes that no one has been talking about. On my Twitter, I've been in Harambe since June, bro. Since literally here. And I recently added like $300 something. I mean, I know it's not a lot, but I added off this retest here. I genuinely believe this will be a $500 million market cap token. Like, that's where my fib has this thing going too. My standard deviation projections, these are my baby, bro. And I love it. I'm sorry, I'm so, like, I'm a neat freak. So let me put this in here. Here. All right, bro. First of all, my border has to be the same color. Don't get me tripping. There we go. Exactly. Like, that's where I'm thinking, bro. Like, I'll be probably looking to 8 more into this, right? Like, when I'm talking about memes, I know I haven't said much. I'm sorry. I'm gonna talk more about, like, the macro and all that kind of good stuff in a bit. I'll tell you this, though. I'm looking to add... I'll just tell you my game plan for where I plan to long Bitcoin and buy more alts. I'm already so exposed, right? Like, it's to the point where I'm so overexposed that the best thing for me to do is become more overexposed. Like, I'm done, like, trying to hedge my bet. Oh, am I short? There's people out here calling for, like, 16K. But, bro, if Bitcoin goes to 16K, we're going to have more problems to worry about than just Bitcoin. Because whatever takes it down there is going to take everything else down with it. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, Bitcoin seeing 16K again, I mean, S&P, NQ, NVIDIA, Tesla, all that shit going down massively. Economy cooked. Inflation, all-time highs. Like, bro, you think... I don't think that's happening. But what I'm looking for is one of two scenarios. Scenario one, come, and we take it here, and I buy this. This is my, generational buying opportunity. There it is. There it is, boys. There it is. There it is. That's it. There's the generational buying opportunity. And then scenario number 2 is come out, retest support or resistance turn support zone, and break out. And then if we retest, then that will be generational buying opportunity number 2. They're all good buying opportunities for me. This is literally the one that I like the most, though. Like this happening to me would be like, like how much better could it get, right? Like how much better of an entry can I get than this? Like this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm even going to throw this over to the side here so that if it does happen, I can say in real time, hey, I called this shit, bro. Everybody follow me so that I could get a following like Anthem and show the hell out of my followers, bro. You guys are all going to be my exit liquidity. I'm playing. SEC, if you're watching this, I'm playing. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's my plan. So not financial advice. It's just what I'm going to do. To end it off, I'll just list my top 5 memes. That's what you guys care about. I'll do top 5 altcoins that I like. Top 5 altcoins this cycle. First, I'm going to do Brett. Second, I'm going to do Pepe is the king. Third, Whiff. 4, I'm going to just throw Render in there. Because if AI has a run, that'll be the leader in my opinion. And I do still think AI has room to go. 5. See, the 5th one, that's where I'm confused. I kind of want to put SUI. I love Bobo, but it's so risky too. But has an amazing risk reward. Sol has been amazing this cycle. Solana, really good. That top 4 is really good. I want to put something that'll last, you know what I'm saying? I could put Bobo. Render is good. What else is out there, man? We got these new memes that are weird. Nero. Cabal, man. It's just a weird situation. It was at 5 million market cap before that Binance listing. To me, that's cringe. Bobo's good. Tron had a run. APU so good. Harambe's really good. Mumu the Bull's good. Sigma, the new meme coin, good. Giga Chad, oh. Well, that meme has actually been going nuts. I'll give it that. Like to the point where I'm like really, really, really wanting to ape, but I just feel like I'm too late. Like even I want to ape Giga Chad, bro. I don't know if I can though. It might be too late for me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Popcat's good, but is it gonna do as good as those others? It really is a meme super cycle. Oh, Ponky. Why do I put Ponky here? I'll make a video on that. But dude, Ponky is a GOAT. That's the one coin I feel underexposed on, man. I'm putting a note to myself here. Literally, hold up. I'm putting a box right here. Buy more Ponky. I'm gonna let myself know, like, hey, yo, bro. When I get in this zone, you best be buying Ponky, gang. You best be buying Ponky. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, bro. When I get in this area, the first thing I'm doing is buying more Ponky, bro. That is the first thing I'm doing. Because they started a wave no one else did, right? Like they really did. They started that social media, those type of videos, that type of advertising, that kind of meme universe, like that kind of familiarity. Ponky really did all that, bro. I still think Bobo's a better meme. But I'm going to do Ponky / Bobo. Because I can't choose. I promise you, in my opinion, It's a meme super cycle, bro. These shits, I have Brett here solely because of what Coinbase said how they're going to onboard users to base chain. If they don't do that and base chain literally dies out, Brett's a dud. Pepe, king of memes, safe bet. Whiff, number one leverage bet on Sol. Render, king of AI tokens. AI has a run. This will be the leader. Render Bobo, Ponky, just a great Solana meme that I think has the potential to be up there with Whiff. And it's undervalued compared to Whiff. It's like still like 15, 20x away from Whiff. And I think it's a much better meme than Whiff. Has more advertising, has more ability to onboard users and normies into the space. And Bobo just as the best Pepe derivative of all time. Like if Pepe does 10x to 40 billion, Bobo should at least be 10 something percent of that market cap, even 4 billion. Judging by that RR, if we get down to those zones, I'll see Bobo at like 65 million. So we could do 4 divided by 0.65, 4 divided by 0.065. You would have a 61x just about. And if you put in like, I don't know, a band, 61K, right? I think my math's right. Let me do it. 4 billion divided by 65 mil. That's 61.5x. So that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I'm actually going to do a thing here. Buy more Ponky and Bobo. Because it actually makes sense to me that, I mean, if we go up, Pepe is the king. And if I want to bet on something Pepe, I can always go my exchange and leverage it. But if I want to bet on an outperformer of Pepe, I'll just go to the meme that's its Yen with Yang and is undervalued compared to the GOAT. And I'll just bet on that to somehow get close to it in market cap. Who knows? It could even get into the same range as Pepe's market cap and shit. I'll be rich. All right, with that, I'm done. You guys are the GOATs. Subscribe. Tell everybody to follow me. I'm in dire need of some fame and exposure. Follow the Twitter, CG Sniper 59. You'll find that shit on X. Thanks, gang. Yeah, bro. You guys are the GOATs. Appreciate.